Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a board on Pinterest. So whether you're using Pinterest for personal use or for your blog or business, it's a good idea to have a lot of different boards. So to help you to find the content that you save and to help other people find content that you save. So to create your board from your profile page, you're going to scroll down and click on the little tab on the right that says create. Then you're going to click on the board section. So you need to give your board a name. So it's a good idea to use a keyword in your board name to help people find it on Pinterest. So what I like to do, I do a little bit of research on my home feed. So you can use the search bar to find different keywords in your niche. So say if you're a food blogger, I might type in recipes, and then Pinterest will auto fill out a load of different keywords that people are searching for. So I like to use the umbrella technique for my boards. So you'll have one main board and then lots of other boards that are similar with slightly longer keywords. So I might have a main board called recipes. Then I'll have other boards called recipes for dinner, recipes with chicken, recipes for vegans, things like that. And you can have lots of other different boards to save pins to. So for today's tutorial, I'm just going to create my first board called recipes. And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on create. So from there, you'll be asked to add some new pins to your board. So when I have a new board, I usually pin at least sort of 8 to 10 new pins to the board. So go ahead and do that for your board. Make sure they're all very highly relevant so Pinterest will understand what your board is about. When you're done, click done. And then your board is created, but you'll want to add a little bit more detail onto your board. So you can use the 3 dots on the right and click on edit board. Then you're going to give your board a description. So again, this is where you want to add in quite a lot more keywords into your description that people might be looking for related to recipes. So something like view this board for tasty, healthy recipes. Get recipe tips for vegans, vegetarians, and meat lovers, and so on, so on. Try and add in as many keywords as you can related to that keyword, the main keyword recipes. And when you're done, click on done, and then you can start adding pins to your new board. So that's how to create a board on Pinterest. If you have any questions, let me know under the video. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.